Hey, it's Matt. When we're looking at week 2 is lab 2.3, the optional lab for checking out some packet assembler and analyzer tools. Now, I'll be honest here, this gets into an area that I'm a little bit unstudied in. So we're going to compare several tools, HPing 3, arping, FPing, Miranda, and thcping 6. So spent some time trying to learn these tools and learn more about these tools. And I popped around to their man pages and let's see, it's up over here. So I've got them all up here along with Wireshark going on. So we'll start with the Excel spreadsheet. First of all, the question we're asked in this lab was whether these can manipulate the packet. If yes, determine what part of the packet structure can be manipulated. Well, I was able to determine that HPing yes, FPing yes, Miranda maybe, and I wasn't really sure about arping and thcping. I just can't seem to get them to work for me. So, the HPing. HPing, you can do a number of different pings, manipulating the packet with several flags. And here's one I did up here where I hammered through 600 ports against my CentOS VM. Charge in. That's an old printer port that's can be used for a DOS attack on an internal network. You can manipulate a packet against that and get it to respond repeatedly over and over and over again. It's a really old, like early 90s kind of port that still seems to be a flaw in some networks. So that was pretty cool. So yeah, we could definitely do that with HPing. What I have down here, I was looking at the FPing options and learning that. I found the FPing does a really nice ping sweep that can pop back really fast with a bunch of hosts on the network, and it even found some hosts that Mmap didn't find on me. So I was playing with that. Trying to do some ICMP echoes on this, and I probably should have. And then I learned about the you can remove the missing hosts there. Let's see. Miranda? I've got Miranda running and been playing around with it, trying to learn a little bit more. It's slowly scanning my entire network for plug-and-play devices. So Miranda is not really ping, it's more of a searches for the UPnP devices, like maybe the routers. And it's getting my router right now. And it's trying to find out information about that. I definitely want to learn more about Miranda. It seems like it could be a very useful tool based on what it does. Now that brings us to thcping 6. I found it's ATK6 thcping. Can't even say it. I haven't been able to actually run anything with this. It says you can craft an ICMP or TCP packet with special headers and things of that nature. I'm trying to run it in a way, and I just can't seem to figure out the commands, the flags properly to use this. And so definitely want to look at it more. Like I said, I'm not very learned in this particular type of networking and usage of commands. And I had the same problem with arping. I tried a number of different flags and ways, and it's just always just like invalid option. Even all the options that are in here. I mean, actually, let's kill that dash out. And I must have missed something there. So, not exactly sure on those two. Trying to compare on. Spend a good amount of time actually with this, trying to learn more. And so I definitely have to go back to the drawing board on this lab to get with this particular packet crafting or manipulation. I know of some script kiddie attacks that can be used. Like I said, the charge and attack is one that I actually ran into years ago when I was an IT help desk at college. So that still, I noticed, still can be used, which is pretty cool. So if I was doing anything like this, I would probably just stick with HPing 3. It's in FPing. I know those tools. The other 3 tools I'm not very familiar with. So yeah, that looks like my text message, or oh, and my 5 minutes are well up too. So let's leave it at that. Yeah, it's kind of a failure on this lab. So but, I tried. Thanks.